Hello traders and welcome to ChrisFX. Today I'm taking you through one of the best trading strategies that I have uploaded in this channel, and this strategy will only use the 1 hour fair value gaps on Nasdaq, and if you follow it to the pip you will have extreme results. My name is Chris, I am the owner of ChrisFX and the SMC Trader, and I'm helping traders become funded while showing the best trading strategies out there and the best trading tricks that you can use in order to succeed in this business. You can find all of my services down in the description, but for the moment let's begin with our video. And what we will be doing, guys, is very simple. As I said, this strategy has been tested on Nasdaq. We will be using only the 1 hour time frame, okay, only the 1 hour time frame. And what you want to do is to use every single 1 hour fair value gap that you will be seeing. Now, most importantly, you will have the best trading results if you go ahead and apply this one in a trend, okay, downtrend or uptrend. For the moment, of course, Nasdaq is going in an uptrend, generally speaking. And what I want you to do is to identify every single fair value gap that you will be seeing. Let's suppose that those are the 3 candlesticks that created the fair value gap, those 3. You might now ask me, Chris, there might be more fair value gaps below this one on the very same leg. Yes, there could be more. What you will be doing then, you will be taking all of them. So you will be starting with the most recent fair value gap, which in this occasion is this one right here. You will be placing a pending order with the stop loss right below the second candlestick which created the fair value gap. So this fair value gap right here has been created by those 3 candlesticks. You will be going ahead and you will be placing the stop loss below the low of this candlestick, okay? Now, regarding targets, you will be aiming for a 5-to-1 reward to risk. If price comes back and activates you here and gives you the 5-to-1, this is absolutely fine. If it doesn't, if you lose, let's say, then you will be placing another pending order on the second or the third fair value gap, as many as you have, and the stop loss will be right below the candlestick and you will be going for another 5-to-1. I am gonna show you numerous examples. In this channel, I will take all of this trend, the current trend, without leaving outside any of the examples, so that you will see that I'm not doing as other traders are doing. I'm not gonna cherry pick. I will take the whole trend, days and days and days. I will take, let's say, 10 trades or 15 trades. We will see in the example, probably 10, and we will be measuring the results after that. We will be doing that super realistically. Now, those things I'm teaching on a regular basis and way better strategies than this one in my academy, in the mentoring, and I'm giving you this small detail that is missing, which you are absolutely missing, and this is why you are not profitable. So go ahead right now and enroll in the academy, where you will find a bunch of strategies, and then you can choose the best out of these strategies, things that you have not seen anywhere else. This is a guarantee. Or of course, the mentoring or the trading signals are spectacular services as well. I will begin now exactly right here, and I will be doing what I told you. When you finish with this video, go to my other channel, which is the SMC Trader, and go ahead and check out the very same video with even more examples, if you want to check out even more examples. Now, as an example, after I broke this structure on the 1 hour time frame, I will go ahead and I will identify if I have fair value gaps only on the 1 hour time frame. Okay guys, as we said, only on the 1 hour time frame. So what I want you to do, go ahead and identify this very first FVG. If I go ahead and place the pending order here, where is the stop loss gonna go? Right below this candlestick, right here. Because we have 3 candlesticks, those 3 that created the fair value gap. Now, if this is not gonna work, then I have one more fair value gap on this leg, which is this one, and the stop loss is gonna go below the candlestick, below the second candlestick, okay? Not below the first that created the FVG, below the second, right here, below this candlestick, while the first stop loss is below this candlestick. Okay guys, you can leave a little bit of space if you want, it is fine. I am gonna be going for a 5-to-1 reward to risk. Those things that I'm doing here, you will not find anywhere else. I am by far the most transparent teacher that you will find out there. What now you will be doing right here? If the leg continues as it continues, what have I said? You will be going ahead and you will be identifying the most recent FVGs. Consider that you have placed another pending order here. Okay, now this is the first pending order that you care about. You forget about the bottom ones. Just forget about them. We can just go ahead and delete them. Now, this one, this FVG right here, let's forget about this one for the moment. Very simple, you just follow price action, 5-to-1 you will be targeting. You are in this trade. Okay, we will be going for a 5-to-1. Forget about anything else. Even though this is a pretty large stop loss and this might not be working, we will be going for a 5-to-1 fixed. Okay, here you are not out of the trade yet. There you go. Okay, and let's keep moving forward. Okay, this is playing quite nicely already. We are not out of the trade, as you can see. I will leave this one playing out. And now I will say that I have a new leg which broke this structure, and I do have this FVG right here. As a matter of fact, because this is a 50 pip stop loss, as a matter of fact, what you can do is you can close this one here and go for the better ones, but you can still leave it as it is. I'm gonna leave it for a 5-to-1. I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna be following the rules. An order is gonna go right here with a stop loss right below this low, and you will be targeting another 5-to-1. Okay, let's see. We are in this trade as well, guys. Let's keep moving forward. This is absolutely spectacular. This target has been hit. This 5-to-1 has been hit. Look, right here. So I leave this one aside and I say 5-to-1 RR. Okay. So you need to be taking all of those trades. Now, since we broke above this area, you should now be taking this trade as well. We are within this trade. Let's do that. You should also be taking this trade, guys. Right here. Stop loss below this candlestick. Excuse me about that. Below this candlestick right here. Okay. Stop loss a little bit below. We are going for another 5-to-1. We are following the trend. Let's keep moving forward. Let's see. Okay. I'm pretty convinced. Okay, this, we missed it, guys. Let's go one step backwards. You see, you have to pay attention to detail. What do you see here? Now, if I delete this one, okay, for the moment, let's delete those lines. We are still within this trade, okay? What do you see? I said every single fair value gap. The small ones are of very high significance as well. So we missed this one. I apologize for that. I am gonna place this trade as well with the stop loss below this low. This is very important, the stop loss that I'm teaching right here. Let's check this out. We are in the trade as well. We are going for a 1-to-5 reward to risk, 5-to-1, let's say. Okay, beautiful. Here, you have this one. I wouldn't be placing a second one in this occasion because we are already in this one. Okay, this is a small rule that we are gonna be adding. Very simple. This is a -1 RR. But at the very same time, I'm not of course gonna be placing a second one here and the third one all the way down here on this small FVG because I'm already in this one. I was willing to ride the trend. I will wait for this one to win and then I will consider any other trade, okay, if it wins. It does win, guys. So, you see, this is another 5-to-1 reward to risk, imagine that. No commissions, by the way. And we have a -1 right here. Let's make it a little bit smaller, the -1. Okay, let's keep moving forward, even though if you would be following the technique as I said, this would have been, if you want us to follow every single trade without discretion, because now I'm putting discretion, you would be having a -1 RR here, a -1 RR here marginally, here with a stop loss below this low. Okay, so this is another -1 RR, and then you would be entering from this fair value gap all the way down here because you just believe in the trend and you would be still in this one. This is a very aggressive approach. Stop loss right below the candlestick that created, as we said, the FVG, and you're going for another 5-to-1 reward to risk. So tell me until here, I have taken every single trade without discretion just to show you how powerful this thing is. Tell me where else are you gonna be finding those strategies. Imagine if my free strategies are giving you those rewards to risks. Rush, go ahead and learn from me. Go ahead and enroll in the academy right now, or you can book the mentoring in order to ask me any single thing that you might want also. Now, another FVG, we are following the trend. Those are all closed. 15R is closed in profit and 2R in loss. Another FVG. So for the moment we delete this one and we take this one. I will be taking every single FVG that I see, guys. Stop loss right below this one. We are going for a 5-to-1, but let's see if we get activated. Another FVG. Forget for the moment about those two. If price goes back, we will be taking all of them. We are riding the trend right below this low, the stop loss. Okay, so this would be a thing that you would be struggling where to place your stop loss in these occasions. 5-to-1 reward to risk we are targeting. Now, pay very close attention to detail. Do we have another FVG? Yes, guys, we have another FVG. Look, from here to here. You will tell me, Chris, this is not an FVG, this is not significant. Who are we to say what is significant in the market, guys? Who are we to say that? We don't know how the algorithm works, we don't know that. We just can do the very same thing again and again. You will say now, because all of the other traders are teaching you, and you will excuse me, the very same bullshit. It is all bullshit and manipulation. They will tell you that this is a premium, you should never buy in a premium. If you want to do that and follow their advice, good luck, guys. Good luck, you will be missing all of these beautiful things happening right here. Here, did we buy in a premium here? Yes, we did. 5-to-1 RR. Who are they to say what is the premium and the discount? This, of course, now we have a volume imbalance. The volume imbalance we are not going to be trading. Even though I am trading it in a different way, I will just leave the FVGs. You will tell me, Chris, we have another FVG. This is an FVG with the volume imbalance. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. I don't know these examples. I really don't know these examples. Stop loss right below the area. I will leave those two open for the moment. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. I leave both of those for the moment. This one is not activated, by the way, is it? No. This one right here probably is not activated in the trade. Probably. Or is it even? We don't know, guys. Let's move and zoom in. You could be activated in this one. It is 0.8 pips, I don't know. Probably this spike would have activated you in the trade. I'm pretty sure that the spike would activate you. Not quite sure though. I will count it though. I think this would activate you. This is a very strong spike. And if I have placed it correctly, because I did rush a little bit, it is right here. So this is a difference of 0.8. I'm not sure, really. If you would be activated, this would have been another win, guys. Now you would be activated, of course, in the trade. This would have been a loss. So we will say -1 RR, and you will tell me, Chris, why didn't you enter after this break of structure from this FVG? Because I'm already probably in 2 trades, guys. Some discretion is always needed. -1 RR, this, now we are for sure inside the trade. If we lose it, we will take every single fair value gap that you see, every single one of them, to prove you, there you go, that premium and discount, the way they are teaching it, is absolute garbage. You see, we bought in a premium, 1 loss, 5-1 reward to risk. Okay, another 5-1 reward to risk. Let me tell you that, and we will continue on the other channel, the SMC Trader, exactly right here where we left this one. Let me tell you that from Thursday the 18th until here, which is Tuesday the 24th, so look, 18th to 24th, 6 days, and we have made 20 RR, 5, 5, 5 and 5, 20 RR -3 plus 17 RR only by following the 1 hour time frame, guys. Plus 17 RR. What do you have to say about that? What you should be saying is you should be running as you are and go and join the ChrisFX Academy. Even I suggest, if you can afford it, that you also go for the premium plan, which is for a lifetime. You don't need, I'm updating things regularly. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose the lifetime, of course, and also the signals have a lifetime as well. If you can afford it, it is absolutely value for money. This is a no bullshit approach to the market, and you have never ever seen anything similar. Everyone else is teaching the same things again and again, and most of them, of course, do not work. Subscribe to ChrisFX and also to my other channel. Go ahead to the other channel to see the continuation of this backtesting, so that you will see I'm not manipulating anything. Okay, I will continue from this exact point. Share the video with all of your trading friends and like the video, of course. This is gonna do it for today, traders, and thank you all for watching. Until next time.